All right, these are going to be the elevators here at 1 Clearwater Tower in Clearwater, Florida. These used to be Otis touch elevators originally from 1975, but sadly they got modded in 2015 or 16 into this junk. Now I will show you something interesting on the top floor. I'm not sure if you saw in the lobby, but one of the elevators is still original but decommissioned.
Okay.
See, look at this over here.
This one right.
That one right there has a vintage Otis lantern, but sadly it does not work anymore.
That's a shame.
This is the 11th floor of the building. It doesn't really seem like there's a whole lot to see up here. Yeah, not much. This one. See, it's got that old Otis logo. You can tell by the fact it's just a single logo and not multiple logos that this is a 70s install. View the cab. Very basic.
Yeah, they're okay. They're not special, but you know, they're not like horrible either.
Yeah, I wish I got to see the originals. I was so upset when I first came here and found out I just missed out on them. And here we are in 1. Kind of want to see what the service car is like here. It's modded too, but
That whole station is kind of neat though.
yeah, you can see that one has the original lobby lantern on it. And over here, that's the annunciator panel.
Is there a service car?
There is around the corner. Oh, it doesn't seem to work. Huh. Well, there it goes, and that'll be it.